Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. I'm going to be creating this buffet party silverware utensil organizer. Now this is a stronger or a more durable type of paper towel holders that they sell at Dollar Tree. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting two. One is going to be inverted so that it will be my stand. So I'm just tying both ends together with the zip ties to create my stand. So I'm just showing you here in a slower motion how I tie my zip tie to connect the two paper towel holders. You can also use E6000 or hot glue to reinforce this connection because it's slippery, it may slide down. So that's why you need to hot glue or add glue to reinforce it. And then I'm going to be adding this metal mesh pen holders or pen cups that I got at Dollar Tree. These are the larger cups, and I'm going to be placing 4 of these cups, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. I will be hot gluing the bottom of each of the cup to the stand or the paper towel holders, but I'll be demonstrating this upside down so that you can see where I'm going to be putting the hot glue. And to be honest, this is the easier way so that you could see where the glue will be sitting or will be applied, because that is not a solid bottom for the paper towel holders. So you don't want to also put it in the wrong spot. And here I'm also adding glue to the sides or to the handles of the paper towel holders to the side of the mesh cup. So I'm just going to be repeating that on all pen cups. Now again, you can use E6000 or any stronghold glue. For demo purposes, I'm just using hot glue. Then I just put it on the right side up, and now on the top part I am going to be hot gluing the bottom of this silver metal tray that I also got at Dollar Tree. So this becomes my buffet organizer where I can put the utensils or the silverware in each of the cups, so the knives, the forks, the spoons, and teaspoons. And then on top will be where I'm going to place the paper plates. And in between the paper plates, I already put some napkins there. So 1 napkin on top of each paper plate. Here I am using this Dollar Tree Lazy Susan or turntable. I don't think they carry this anymore. I purchased a couple of them years ago, and unfortunately they haven't been back again. Hopefully someday, but this makes it more functional. Now this is another iteration, so I am connecting again 2 paper towel holders. One is gonna be inverted or upside down, one right side up, and then I will be connecting it to the bottom of one of the pizza pans that I have. And then again using my hot glue, but feel free to use your E6000 or super glue if you want this to be permanent. If you're just setting up something temporary for a party or a get-together, hot glue will work. I mean, it has worked for me, so hopefully it works for you too. But again, if you want it more stable and you don't want to get too nervous about it collapsing on you, then by all means, use a stronger hold glue. So here I'm making sure that I reinforce all of these connections. So this one can be a bottom also, but I've decided this will be my top. And then I'm placing on top of it the one that I decorated with the contact paper, also from Dollar Tree, another pizza pan tray so that it'll be removable so that I can also use it as a serving tray if ever I feel like doing it. But on second thought, it probably would have been more balanced to have that wider pizza pan at the bottom so that it's not wobbly. So I only think about these improvements after I've seen the video or after I used the item that I created. So here I'm just going to be adding a napkin holder. This metal napkin holder matches perfectly this paper towel holder. So I just tied it with some black zip ties, embellish it with ribbons so that you will not see the zip ties. And then I'm using the black mesh cups. These are the smaller ones that I showed earlier. So I'm just going to put 2 here so that they will be my utensil or my silverware holders for spoon and forks. And if you also want to hold some knives, you can use a 3rd cup there, but I only had 2 cups at the time I was doing this. So I'm making sure that the seams will be at the back so that it will be a better finish. And then I'm tying small zip ties through, and the zip ties I'm using are also black. So you can buy black zip ties to match, but if you don't have black zip ties, you can use the white ones and just paint them, or even use those pen markers in the same color so that, you know, the white zip ties become black. Okay, so just showing you where I'm tying them, and then I'm using another small one to tie the top to reinforce the connections. Then I'm going to be trimming the ends again using my Dollar Tree scissors this time. So like I said, a 3rd cup would have been perfect, but right now I only have 2 cups, one for the spoon, one for the forks. And here the top pizza pan is removable. I place again paper plates there, and a Lazy Susan or a turntable would be perfect for the bottom. For this next DIY, I will be creating a revamp, or I'll be revamping that buffet organizer that I created earlier, the first version, and I'm going to be using it as a crafting organizer. So I'm just going to be adding some things on the top of this silver tray, and I'm going to be using this silver finish napkin rings. And I'm just going to be placing them or hot gluing them on top of this silver round tray that I got at Dollar Tree. So I'm just positioning them in places, making sure that they fit. I believe I have used 2 bags, if I'm not mistaken, of this silver napkin rings, because I think they come 6 in a pack, if I'm not mistaken, and I believe I used 12 here, 12 pieces. And I'm placing some on the edges and then some in the middle so that I can use them to hold my acrylic paint or my crafter's paint. But I think you can also use this for your nail polishes if you want to use this as a makeup organizer. So I'm just going to be using hot glue, just gluing the edges at the bottom of each of these napkin rings and then placing them like so. And then I still have this Lazy Susan, so I've decided to cover it with contact paper that I got at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just measuring it to size and then covering it. And here's the finished project. And I really like like it a lot. Again, you can use this as a makeup organizer, or in my case, I use it as a crafting organizer. So I hope I'm inspiring you to kind of do the same thing, that if you are using one for another purpose and you don't use that often, like for me, I didn't need to really host a lot of parties. So I've decided that I'll just use the buffet organizer as a craft organizer. Another hack for this paper towel holder that I like to do is using matching containers. For example, this mesh pen holders that I got at Dollar Tree at the home office or back to school section, and this comes in two finishes, silver and black. As far as size goes, they come in small and large, so I have the large size here. I'm going to be creating a caddy, and this is going to be multi-purpose to hold some of my tools anywhere in my home. For this project, you can use from 2 up to 4 pencil cup holders. I will only need 3. I will be connecting the cups to the paper towel holders using zip ties. Dollar Tree also sells zip ties in different sizes. I suggest using the smaller or thinner ones so that they can fit through the mesh or the holes of your pencil cup holders. Make sure to position each cup where the seam is hidden or not facing the front, like this one here. I have aligned the first cup perpendicular to the bottom. If you would see, there's also a straight line there at the bottom of the paper towel holder. So I lined it perpendicular and then used 2 zip ties to tie to each side of the paper towel holder. And then what I'm going to do with the second and third pen cup holders, I will be tying them together first with the zip ties. And then I will connect each of them as they are tied together to the handle of the paper towel holder. Then I'm making the final cut after I connect all 3 of them together. So don't worry about the zip ties showing through, because once you put contents in each cup, then you do not need to worry about them showing up, because the zip ties are connected towards the back of the cup, towards the center of the whole organizer or the entire system. Here's an example of how you can use this organizer. You can use it to organize your spoons, your forks, your knives. Notice that I put the knives upside down, especially if you have kids, you don't want them to be cut. So this is going to be a caddy for the eating utensils or the place settings. And oftentimes when you're hosting, you would rather have something as portable as this that you can move around easily, whether you go outdoors or indoors in entertaining. Or even if you just want to use it on a daily basis so that you don't have to always go to the drawer to pick up your utensils, you can already have that at the center of your table. Aside from eating utensils, you can also use this to organize your cooking utensils. That's why I chose the bigger pencil holders to accommodate longer items, just like the handles of these cooking utensils. This caddy is also an excellent organizer to hold your craft items. So if you're a crafter like myself, it'll be good to go and carry the items that you usually use, the things that you normally have in your craft room, that if you want to move to another place or another room or another area in your home, you can just carry the whole caddy itself and move it. That's why I like the portability of this caddy, because I can take it anywhere around the house and be able to do some of my projects anywhere without having to waste time gathering my things. I'm already putting all the items that I regularly use for crafting. You can also use this to organize your desktop or your desk area. For example, if you have a lot of pens, pencils, highlighters, rulers, scissors, magnifying glass like I will have here, those are the things that I have on my desk. So I can just keep this on my desk to organize my office supplies. This is also an excellent organizer for your tools that you use for fixing things like screwdrivers, hammer. I have a small hammer here, and also measuring tape, liquid nails, and some nails. So I put together the hammer and the nails together, the wrench and the cutters together, and the liquid nails and the measuring. So they're all in this one caddy, and I can carry it anywhere I need these tools to fix things around the house. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!